Can you remove Meta AI on Messenger? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and see if you can remove Meta AI on Messenger. So first things, go ahead and open Messenger and then tap on the Meta AI chat. Further, tap on the eye icon on the top right and then go ahead and select the mute option, and further choose the until I change it option, or you can also go ahead and delete the Meta AI conversation by simply pressing and holding the Meta AI chat and then tapping on the delete option. Confirm when prompted, and it will only reappear if you tap the search bar or AI button. So, if you are trying to completely remove Meta AI on Messenger, then as of 2025, it is not possible since Meta has made the AI assistant a built in part of the app and there is no official toggle to disable or delete it. But as mentioned before, you can hide it, mute it, or reduce its presence. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.